Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of Feng Shui, and I'm going to share with you 9 vital tips to enhance your balcony's energy flow for positive vibes. Firstly, let's talk about the plants. Plants are essential as they symbolize growth and renewal. Place them in the southeast corner for vitality and good health. Secondly, keep your balcony clutter-free. This not only helps in air circulation, but also helps in mental clarity. Thirdly, embrace the color green. It is a symbol of balance and harmony, promoting inner peace and relaxation. Fourthly, consider a water feature or some fountains to encourage a constant flow of positive energy. Fifthly, avoid placing sharp objects or anything that resembles a weapon on your balcony. This will help prevent negative energy from accumulating. Sixthly, ensure that your balcony has smooth edges and corners where possible. This will help prevent any potential accidents or injuries due to rough edges. Seventhly, opt for rounded shapes over sharp corners or edges wherever possible on your railings or furniture to promote positivity and mental well-being. Eighthly, avoid loud noises on your balcony as it may disrupt the peaceful atmosphere and create negative emotions like irritability or frustration. Lastly, but not least, keep your balcony well maintained by regularly cleaning it and maintaining any furniture or fixtures consistently. This will ensure that negativity doesn't accumulate due to dirt or neglect. Remember, Feng Shui is about creating a positive environment for our minds and bodies, while balancing the energy around us through the use of certain elements such as plants, water, features, etc. So make sure you apply these tips diligently. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content like this one. Until next time, folks.